This chicken and rice soup makes a lovely comforting dinner, and it's a great way to use up leftover roast chicken or roast turkey if you've still got some in the freezer after Christmas. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen where we show you how to make delicious family-friendly recipes. And welcome to our new kitchen. Chris has been working for months on this and I can't wait to get cooking up some new recipes for you. So let's get cooking. We're going to start by frying up the veggies. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over a medium heat in a large saucepan. And to that we're going to add a finely chopped onion, 2 sticks of sliced celery, and 2 medium carrots that have been chopped into 1 centimetre chunks. Then we're going to fry that for about 4 to 5 minutes until just starting to soften. I've swapped over to a bigger pan already because I realised there's no way that was going to fit. So once these vegetables have softened slightly, we're going to sprinkle over 2 tablespoons of plain all-purpose flour and mix it all together until that flour's all absorbed. Once that flour's all absorbed, we're going to slowly pour in 120 ml or half a cup of whole milk while stirring. Then next in goes 1.2 litres or 5 cups of hot chicken stock. Water plus about 4 stock cubes is fine for this. We're also going to add in a teaspoon of dried thyme and give it a stir. Next in goes 105 grams, which is about half a cup of long grain rice. Now stir all that together, bring it to the boil and then simmer for 25 minutes, stirring occasionally until the rice is just tender. So that rice is lovely and tender now, and it's really absorbed all the flavours of that stock and those vegetables. So now we're going to add in some cooked shredded chicken. I've got 250 grams, which is about 2 cups of cooked chicken here. This is a great meal to make after your Sunday roast because you can just add in any leftover little bits of chicken from that chicken carcass, and you can also boil up the bones to make the stock for this soup. So let's add it in. I'm also adding in about a tablespoon of lemon juice, which is the juice from half a lemon. Plus 80 ml, which is about 1/3 of a cup of double or heavy cream. 50 grams, which is about half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and black pepper. Now we're going to stir that all together and heat for about 2 to 3 minutes until that chicken is piping hot. Ladle it out into bowls and sprinkle with fresh parsley before serving. So that's my creamy chicken and rice soup. It's so lovely and thick and luscious, really filling on a cold winter's night. And I absolutely loved cooking in my new kitchen. Let me know in the comments below if you want us to do a little kitchen tour. I'll see you next time.